Hello! In this video, we're going to walk through the steps for getting your iPads ready to go for the new school year. To start the setup process, tap the home screen button. Select English from the language menu and United States from your country menu. Now your network connections should begin to populate. Select the LSC-Wi-Fi network. You'll be prompted to enter your LSC username and password. If your password contains a capital letter, be sure to type the capitals in. Tap Join when you're finished typing. Next, you'll see a certificate page. Tap Trust in the upper right-hand corner. Now you should see a screen that says Remote Management. Tap Next in the upper right-hand corner. You'll be prompted to enter your LSC username and password once again. Remember, if your password has any capital letters, be sure to type the capitals. When you're finished typing, select Next in the upper right-hand corner. The next screen says Location Services. Tap Enable Location Services. This will help us to find your iPad if it's ever lost or stolen. When you reach the Welcome to iPad screen, tap Get Started to be taken to your home screen. Within the first few seconds of being on your home screen, you may notice your apps moving around slightly and a new app called Self-Service being added to your iPad. You'll notice that the first self-service to appear says Web on it. In the next couple minutes, that web icon will disappear and be replaced with your permanent self-service app. For me, it took about 2 minutes for my self-service icon to begin downloading. Do you notice the difference in the style of app icons? You'll never use the one that says Web. Actually, it's about to disappear from the screen all on its own. This is what it's supposed to do. The one that just says self-service is the one that you're going to use to download apps. Think of it like the App Store on an iPhone or an iPad. Once you have your new self-service icon, you can go into self-service, and we're going to set a couple things up. If it asks you if you'd like to receive notifications, say Allow. The first thing that we need to install on your iPad is your Office 365 Mail account. You can either swipe through the apps to locate it, or down in the bottom right-hand corner, there's a search option. If you tap on the search option and begin typing in Office 365, you'll notice it pop up in the selections. Install the one that has the blue e-exchange icon that says Office 365 Mail. As Office 365 begins installing on your iPad, you'll begin getting some pop-up messages. One will ask you to set your passcode. Tap Continue when you receive the passcode requirement pop-up. Your iPad password should be exactly the same as your LSC password. This means if your password is your name and numbers, your password for your iPad will be the same name and numbers for your LSC account. Remember, if you have any capital letters, type in those capital letters exactly like your password. You'll be prompted to re-enter that password to verify that you typed it correctly. Next, tap on the Mail icon at the bottom of your screen. It's the app that looks like an envelope. When you open your Mail app, you'll be prompted to enter your Office 365 password. This is also the LSC password that you've been typing in throughout your setup process. Remember, if your password contains any capital letters, you must type in those capital letters as they appear. This concludes the setup process of your iPad. The only thing that you'll have left to do is to go to self-service and download the apps that you'll need for your iPad. As a pro tip, only install the apps that your teacher tells you you'll be using in class. If you install every app, you'll probably fill up all of the space on your iPad. Thanks for watching, and we hope you have a wonderful school year.